In the heart of Lagos, Nigeria, lies Makoko, the largest water slum in the world. People here live on stilted houses above sewage water, yet they're still happy. This massive informal settlement is home to over 250,000 people. We begin our journey on land before hopping in a boat to go much deeper. Hi! Hello! Okay. Can you say bicker? Bicker! Bicker! What type of fish?
Kpanla fish.
Kpanla from the river.
Yes.
This is the start of the action.
200,000 people live in Makoko. The major occupation here is fishing, and the women sell the fish.
So what is this bridge here?
Mainland bridge.
Okay, and on the other side is where they go fishing. Some of the men are coming back now and the women are over here waiting for them.
Yes.
And then once the women get the fish over here,
They take it to the mainland to sell.
to the mainland.
Yes.
So they're not selling it to anyone here. So we just got some water here. It's nice and cold, yeah? You can get rice. You can get some macaroni. You can get beer. Your name is?
Sunday, Shimede Sunday.
And you're the
I'm son of the chief.
son of the chief.
Yes. I'm born and brought up here in Makoko waterfront.
But what are they doing here? They're
It's actually a school. It's a very small one. So we don't have space to accommodate more kids. So we have to expand this place.
so you're making it bigger.
The bigger school.
This is the school here.
Yeah, we use
Okay.
this as a class too.
And these children to my right, do they go to the school?
Yes, yes.
Is your school? Do people drink the water out of here or no?
Our people don't drink this water.
No.
We use 13-feet pipe, 12 pieces, dig down to the ground. That's where we get a drinking water for
Drinking water.
water for bathing, for washing clothes, and for cooking.
Okay, so you don't bathe in this either.
This is nice.
You got the priorities straight here. The television and the radio.
Many people in the community don't have televisions.
Do you get a bunch of people coming to watch television in your place?
Lord, if none of the work people are doing, you see all of them here.
You like television?
Watch.
Where do you cook? This is the stove.
If I want to cook, just put the stove here, put the pot on it.
Well, using gas or you're using
Kerosene.
kerosene?
We use kerosene. This is for water. You have to put this in your boots. Drive your boot to where the water point is. Get the water and come back home.
And you're cooking for how many people?
3 kids.
3 kids.
2 boys and 1 girl. This is the girl.
What is your name?
Grace.
Grace, you're so pretty.
Yeah, good. Yeah.
Hey, good. James, King James, shake me. Yeah, man. My brother. Your hands are so big, James. Woo! He's my friend, but you could play with him. His name is Vicker. Vicker. Bye bye. To the bar. What is your name?
My name is Demete.
Are you drinking beer? It's beer o'clock.
Yeah.
What's up? Let's have a beer. I have not tried Nigerian beer yet. Trophy beer. It's what's going on in Makoko. Cheers.
Yeah.
Yeah. What time does the bar get the most crowded?
Saturday.
9 p.m.?
Yes.
It's the whole place is crowded. Do they have live music? Any playing drums and stuff?
No live music yet. They are trying to expand this place. So there will be enough space so that we can have live artists.
Well, you could have like 1 or 2 guys with drums here just playing.
I said it's a great idea you've given to him now, so we start working on it.
Cool. I'm coming back on Saturday at 9. I'll bring the drum. Oh yes, I would love some whiskey.
Yeah, you come wine.
Special Nigerian whiskey. Just take a little capful.
Good. Yes.
It's your culture.
Oh, okay. Yes, I'm sorry.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Yes. So we got a little bit from you. Woo! That's a lot. Nice.
Yes.
Very nice whiskey. And this here is the bathroom. The barber, you cut the hair? How much money for a haircut? 2,500? 2,500? Okay. Because your barber is right next to the bar, do people get drunk and say, cut off all my hair? Or turn my hair red?
You say yes.
Yeah, there we go. Like this guy. Come to the bar. We're having a good time. The bar is open. The bar is open. Makoko Gatorade. Gatorade. My man. Thank you. Hey. All right. My friend. Bye-bye. He says, me, 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 Yapo. I think I understand what that means. Makoko sunset.
It's looking better now.
So nice. Maybe I should turn the camera the other way. What do you think? Hey, there we go. Did you have any trophies today? No, I did. It was delicious. Traffic jam. Don't get too comfortable. And we're back. This will be interesting. We made it. We didn't fall into the water. We had some beer. Confidence had too much whiskey. It was a good day.
Yeah, that was it.
Yabo out. All right. We're still playing billiards here. Okay. The game's continue. Oh, good job. Hey. All right. Fuck. Major accident. That is gutter water, and it's not coming out. We were so close. Yabo, idiot! We did a little cleaning of the feet, but the shoes, oh man. Eye-opening, right? Such horrible conditions, but despite that, the people were smiling and super friendly. This really puts things into perspective for me. The things we take for granted. If you're interested, here's a little bit more on the history of Makoko, and then some incredible drone shots.
In olden days, it wasn't called Makoko. Our forefathers, what they do in their lifetimes to get money is fishing. So when they got to this place, they found fish, so they had to look for a place to settle down themselves. So they settled down themselves here over 100 years ago, and they start fishing here. And there's this process they call mahoho during those days. Mahoho is mahoho. If you commit crime, like they hate stealing. If you steal and caught red-handed, mahoho is they'll put you in front of a very big boat, exposing you to the whole community. The chiefs will be in the boat, the elders, the women, and after which you will be sent away from the community. So that process is what we call mahoho. And as other tribes, they normally come to buy fish from our forefathers. So whenever they are coming to our community, instead of saying, I'm going to where they do mahoho, it's very difficult for them at that time to pronounce mahoho. So if they want to say mahoho, they will say makoko.
People are selling on these boats all day long. Do they sell them at night as well, or does it?
They sell all the time. They sell all the time. They sell around 3 a.m.
3 a.m. They're selling till 3 a.m.
Yes.
So are there lights on the boats?
Yes, they put a lantern. The men, they mostly leaves their house to fish around 3 a.m. and they need some foods in their boat. So women sell foods around that time to sell to the fishermen. So that's it.
Are they selling alcohol too?
A lot of anything you want, anything you can get on land. I'm sure you can get it here too. They sell alcohol, they sell drinks, they sell cold drinks, they sell foods and a lot of things.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. I vlogged my way through 20 of the least visited African countries, and I hope you will join me on this incredible adventure, starting right below. And please, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Until next time, cheers.